these are again some taxonomical aids which I used. So all the aids which we have discussed, they are helping us to study different living matters, different living organisms. How do they look like? How do they behave in their natural habitat? What is their behavior? Somewhere we are also learning, we are getting into systematics. So eventually, if you learn, if you preserve specimens, we are studying about different organisms, you are understanding the relation between different organisms, the evolutionary history of organisms leading to systematics. So this is living world, where we did discuss about different members of this living world, how they are categorized, why categorization or classification is important, and we discussed different various hierarchical levels and different mechanisms or methods which helps us to study these categories more better. Okay? So that was the living world. Please do watch all the videos of the living world of all the under this course, and do attend the doubt clearing sessions. If you have any doubt from any videos, do get it cleared from the doubt clearing sessions. Then you will have to attend a test where you will be attempting questions that will be from this particular chapter. Until and unless you don't attempt that particular test paper, you won't be able to access the next chapter of the unit diversity in the living world. So make sure you're thorough with this chapter, your doubts are getting cleared in doubt clearing sessions, and you attempt the test.
Okay, so as we have discussed what is classification, the importance of classification, the image is actually representing the huge biodiversity. Basically, this is why we need classification, we need categorization, so that studying these animals, studying this flora and fauna becomes easier. Then in this, under this topic, we discussed taxonomy, taxon, systematics, all those things we discussed. Okay. Then this is just an example of taxonomical hierarchy. Okay. Then getting into taxonomical aids, where herbarium sheet, as I had mentioned, that this is how a herbarium sheet looks like. The plant specimen is collected, it is dried, pressed, and it has been stuck onto a sheet. Here you can see a small thread has been used, and this is all the information that has been given here. Okay, what its habitat is, which family it belongs to, what is the genus name, the date of collection or date of herbarium sheet is formed. Every information is given here. So this is how herbarium sheets look like. These are the examples of botanical garden that has been mentioned in the NCRT textbook. So this is how a botanical garden is seen. Like basically, if you go inside and explore more, you will be seeing various plant specimens with all kind of information that you need to study for study purpose. Or like, for example, this is a rosemary specimen which has been shown here. I have put an image where only name has been provided. Usually many botanical gardens also give information like which family it belongs to, what is the genus, what is the species, and all other information is also given. Then this is a museum, as I had discussed, where specimens are preserved in preservative liquids. This is an insect board where the insects are pinned on a particular board, and this is fossil remains of animals. Like even you can study a lot of things with the help of remnants of extinct animal or ancient animal. So even museum also shows these fossil remains or the remnants of particular animals. Then zoological park, as we had discussed, and what exactly zoological park is. And even zoological park also shows information about the animals. Like if this one is a rhino, so they do give us the information. They also even show whether it is endangered, whether it is vulnerable. All kind of information is also given in the information board. Yeah. A key. So this is an example I have taken. So let's observe this key or couplets as we had discussed. So one, the first couplet, whether the flower is cream colored or not. If yes, the flower is physalis. If I am choosing option 2, they are asking to answer the couplet 2, to like go and compare the couplet number 2. Like if the flowers are white, I'll have to check whether the structure of corolla is rotate or is it in funnel shaped. If it is funnel shaped, I'll have to go and check couplet number 3 to confirm whether it is nicotinia or datura. So this is how you go one by one and compare the contrasting statements or lead, and you finally identify the particular species. So that was the chapter, The Living World. As I had mentioned, please do watch the video thoroughly. If any doubt, please get it cleared in doubt clearing sessions, so that you will be able to clear the test sessions that are uploaded in the website. You will be only be able to access the next chapter if you pass the test. So you will have to study, you have to be thorough with this chapter. So thank you.